Good morning, children. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class, we are going to start with our word problems, which is related to solving an equations having variables on both the sides. You can take page number 30 and you can refer the example problems from the textbook. Okay, children? Now we are going to start with our next topic. Okay, last class we have discussed how to solve the equations when we have variables on both the sides, right? We have variables on both the sides, so we will solve and we will find the solution. So based upon that method, there are few word problems, which means a general situation problem. We should understand the situation. Based upon the situation, you have to solve the problem. Okay, you can take page number 30. So in that you will have a example problem here. What is the example? Example number 14. Okay, children, you can take example number 14. What is the example given? The digits of a two-digit number differ by 3. So a two-digit number will, how it will be? It will have two digits. Okay, here one number will be there, here one number will be there. The digits of a digit means what? Individual things is your digits. Digits of a two-digit number, if you subtract these two values, you will get 3. Okay, this is one digit, this is one digit of a two-digit number. If I subtract both the digits of a two-digit number, I should get 3. Okay, understood? If the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, we will get 143. Now what I am just doing is, this is what your two-digit number. If I am exchanging, this will come here, this will come here. Okay, so if I am exchanging both the numbers, then I will get one answer, no? If I add this number with this original number, I should get 143. Okay, what I am just doing is, there is a two-digit number, children. If I subtract both the digits of a two-digit number, I will get answer as 3. If I am interchanging both the digits of a two-digit number, and I will get one answer. If I add this value, interchanged value and original value, I will get 143. Okay, so for example, I'll take a two-digit number 23. Okay, how you will write this 23? 2 into 10's place plus 3 into 1's place. 2 into 10, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. So 1's tens, is it? 2 into 10's place plus 3 into 1's place. This is how you will expand it, right? Yes. If I exchange these two, how you will write? 32. How you will write this expansion? 3 into 10 plus 2 into 1. Did you understand how I have exchanged? Yes, this is in 10's place, this is in 1's place. This is in 10's place, this is in 1's place. So this is how I am going to write a two-digit number. Okay, now I am taking a 1's place digit. Okay, I am going to take a 1's place digit, a two-digit number, Noda. So I am going to take any one, which means I am going to take this 1's place as B. Okay, two-digit number, so I am taking 1's place digit as B. Okay, this you know, right? So obviously this 10's place will be how much? B plus 3. Okay, it is a two-digit number. It is like 23, 32. It is like that number only. So one of the digit I am taking at B because we don't know. 10's place will be B plus 3. Only then if I subtract these two digits, I will get 3. B plus 3 minus B na. Plus B minus B cancel. You will get 3 as answer. That is why I am writing the tens place digit as b plus 3. Ones place I am taking as b, tens place b plus 3. So if I subtract this digit and this digit, I will get 3. Now we this statement and this question are same. Okay. Now, so what is the number? 2-digit number b plus 3, and b is our 2-digit number. So how you will expand this b plus 3 and b? This is in ones place, this is in tens place. Appo b plus 3 into 10 plus b into 1. Okay, b plus 3 into 10 plus b into 1. Now shall we solve this? Yes. This b plus 3 into 10. 10 is common for this as well as this. So we are going to multiply like this. B into 10, 10b plus. I told you number you should write friend, variable at the back. 3 into 10, 30 plus b into 1, b. Okay, listen. b into 10, 10b plus 3 into 10, 30. I am going to write this 2-digit number in the expansion and I am forming an equation. This is what the equation for a 2-digit number. Now, what they said, when we are interchanging, if I interchange this 2-digit number, how it will become? b plus b. Okay, so b plus 3 will comes in ones place, b will come in tens place. Okay, now shall we expand this number? Yes, b into 10 plus b into 3 into 1. b into tens place plus b plus 3 into ones place. Okay, so b into 10, 10b plus b plus 3 into 1, b plus 3. So this is what the equation which we are getting after interchanging. If I add these two equations, I should get 143 because I told you original number plus interchanged number. If I add these two, I should get 143. So what is the first number? 10b plus 30 plus b. Okay, I wrote. Okay, first I wrote plus 10b plus b plus 3. 10b plus b plus 3 equal to 143 because I told you this is my original number, this is my interchange number. If I added both the values, I should get 143. Now, can we add all the b values? Yes. 10b plus b, 11b. 11b plus 10b, 21b. 21 plus b, 22b. Plus 30 plus 3, 33 equal to 143. I have added all the values with a variable. Okay. 10b plus b, 11b plus 10b, 21b, 21 plus b, 22b. Now shall I bring this to that side? Yes. 22b equal to 143 minus 33. Okay. So 22b equal to 143 minus 33 is what? 3 minus 3 0. 4 minus 3 1. 1. Okay. 110 is our answer. Now, I want only b value. By using the b value only, you can find the 2-digit number. So, I am bringing this 22 that side. B equal to 110 divided by 22. Can we cancel these two values? Yes, we can cancel it in the 11th table. 11 tens are 110, 2s are. Now, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So, what is our b value? 5. So, what is our original number? Original number is what? B plus 3b. Original number is what? B plus 3b. Okay, this is 2-digit number. So, this is 1 digit, this is 1 digit. So, what is b plus 3? 5 plus 3 is 8. B is 5. So, therefore, our original number is 85. You can check and see, children. 85 is original number. If you interchange, can you subtract 8 minus 5? 3. Yes, if you subtract these two digits, you will getting 3. So the question is correct. So shall we interchange these two? If you interchange, what you will get? 58 you will get. Now shall we add this original number and interchange the number? 85, 58. 5 plus 8, 13. 143. Did you get this answer? Yes. So the original number which we have found is correct. Understood, children? This is your example 15. What is the example given? Arjun is twice as old as Shreya. So Arjun is how much? Twice as old as Shreya. 5 years ago, his age was 3 times Shreya's age. Find their percentage. We don't know Arjun's percentage also, Shreya's percentage also, okay? But the condition given is Arjun is twice, Arjun's age is how much? Twice the Shreya's age. Okay, Arjun is twice the Shreya's age. We don't know Shreya's age also. Appo Arjun's age I am taking as 2x. Because Shreya's age I am taking it as x. Appo 2x because twice the Shreya's age. Okay, so Shreya is x years old. Okay, Arjun is 2x years old. Understood? Because Arjun is twice the Shreya's age. I don't know Shreya's age. I am taking Shreya's age as x. Up Arjun age is 2x. Okay. 5 years ago, his age was 3 times the Shreya's age. Appo 5 years ago, Shreya's age will be how much? X minus 5. 5 years ago. Okay. Shreya's age is x minus 5 years. Arjun age is 2x minus 5 because present age is, they are present age children. This is Shreya's present age which is x. Now she is x years old. Arjun is 2x years old. About 5 years before na x minus 5. Arjun na 2x minus 5 years. What they said? 5 years ago his age was 3 times the Shreya's age. Appo Arjun age will be 3 times the Shreya's age. Okay. Appo what is 5 years ago age of Arjun? 2x minus 5. 3 into what is 5 years ago age of Shreya? X minus 5. Now did you got an equation? Shall we solve this? Yes. 2x minus 5 equal to 3 is common for both. 3 into x, 3x. Minus 3 into 15, 3 into 5, 15. Now shall we bring all the variables all one side, constants all towards other side. 2x, 3x if it go that side becomes minus 3x. But minus 15 alone will be there. If minus 5 go that side it becomes plus 5. Okay, 2x minus 3x minus 1x equal to minus 15 plus 5 minus 10. Up minus can get cancelled. Up x is equal to 10. So listen, x is equal to 10 you got, right? So what is x? Whose age is x? Shreya's present age is x. So Shreya is 10 years old actually because we got x value as 10. So Shreya is 10 years old. Up Arjun is 2x, right? Arjun is 2x. Up 2 into 10, 20 years old. Okay, Arjun is 20 years old. See, listen children, Arjun is twice the Shreya age. We don't know Shreya age, so I wrote x. Up Arjun will be 2x. 5 years ago. Ago means what? 5 years before. Up 5 years before, what will be Shreya's age? X minus 5. What will be Arjun age? 2x minus 5. 5 years ago, 3 times the Shreya age. Appa what is Arjun age? 2x minus 5 equal to 3 into x minus 5 because 3 times the Shreya's age. Appa now I am going to calculate because I am going to bringing all the variables to one side, constant towards one side. 2x minus 3x is minus x. Minus 15 plus 5 minus 10. Minus cancel. By x is equal to 10. X is whose age it is? Whose present age it is? Shreya's present age. Appa Shreya is 10 years old. Arjun's present age is 20 years old. Understood, children? Next, we are going to continue exercise 2.4. Okay, we are going to start with, what is the first question? Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Okay, we are going to find the number what she has thought. Okay, now shall we write the solution? Amina thinks of a number. Okay, so we don't know what number. She is thinking some number. Okay, so we don't know that number. So what you will do? The thing which you don't know, let the number be x. As usual, let the number be x. And what she is doing? And subtract 5 by 2 from it. So what is she doing? Subtract 5 by 2 from that number x. Okay, because listen children, Amina thinks of a number and she is subtracting 5 by 2 from that number. I don't know that number, so I am taking that number as x and I am subtracting 5 by 2 from that number. So what you will get? X minus 5 by 2. After subtracting, what you will get? You will get x minus 5 by 2. She multiplies the result by 8. So after subtracting, you got this result. And the result is multiplied by 8. So what is the result we got after subtraction? X minus 5 by 2. So what I am doing is x minus 5 by 2 into 8. Because I told you the result I am going to multiply by 8. Okay, this is next. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. So some result you got, no? That will be 3 times the same number. 3 times the same number means what? 3x. Okay. So the result obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. Okay, so the result what we obtained is x minus 5 by 2 into x is into 8 is the result we got, which is equal to 3 times the same number. 3 times the same number means 3x. Okay, 3 times the same number na 3x. Now did you got an equation? Listen, she has thought of a number. I don't know that number, so I have taken it as x. I am subtracting that number by 5 by 2. So I got one result as x minus 5 by 2. I am multiplying that result by 8. Appa x minus 5 by 2 into 8. The result obtained is, so this is what my result, which is equal to 3 times the number. So this is what your equation. Can we solve this equation? Yes. So 8 is common for this as well as this. 8 into x, 8x minus 5 by 2 into 8. 8 into x, 8x minus 5 by 2 into 8 equal to 3x. Now shall we cancel this? 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now 8x equal minus 5 4s are 20 equal to 3x. Shall we bring this constants all one side and variables on all one side? Yes. 8x plus 3x goes that side, it becomes minus 3x equal to minus 20 go that side, it becomes plus 20. Now 8x minus 3x is 5x equal to 20. So I am going to bring this 5 to that side. X is equal to 20 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 fours are 20. X is equal to 4. Therefore, the number that Amina has thought is 4. So, the number Amina thought was 4. Okay, this is what the number that Amina had thought. Okay, that is what I have taken it x and I have solved it. Understood, children? Today's class we have discussed 2 example problem and 1 exercise problem. In this type of problems, you should refer the question carefully and you should frame the equation. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.